My savage and my seven, my seven. We back with another episode of that Moneymane you already know. But before we get into it, I need y'all to like, subscribe, and share, and tell your friend about that Moneymane you already know. And no, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This just for entertainment purposes only. I'm just telling y'all the plays that I'm on. And y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail, and let's go ahead and get into it. Hey, it been a minute. I know it been a minute. Hey, we back on this crypto, man, and we back on this CRO coin. I know that's how my channel blew up. Hey, before I be y'all doing the shorts, cause we gonna get back on those too, man. But I need y'all to go subscribe, like, share, tell your friends about that Moneymane you already know. We got Brown Time Opulence, link down in the description. Go subscribe there too, man, cause we doing big things, AI, everything coming. But get on here and get that out of the way. Now, y'all saying, hey, Moneymane, what about the CRO? I know y'all stop doing the CRO, stop doing the CRO, stop doing the CRO. But we gonna get into the chart. I'm gonna tell y'all what I did with my CRO and my wallet, all that CRO I had back in the day. And I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do in the future. So let's go ahead and get into it. All righty, here we go. Hey, CRO coin right now, man. Hey, crypto.com, if you didn't know. As long as crypto.com arena is still in LA, we're going to still be in this CRO coin right here, man. But not a long-term hold, not a long-term trade. This what I messed up in the beginning. I was still learning, but now I'm back. And I know more than I ever knew before. And we're going to look at the chart and we're going to see where CRO going and where it might go and where it might not go. But right now, hey, on the day, it's down 0.6%. On the week, it's down 2%. On the month, it's down 19.2%. On the year, it's only up 0.9%. Now, you asking me, Moneymane, is it too late to get in? Nah, it ain't never too late to get in. Depends on what you doing, but you got to get it at the right price. Right now, it's at 0.8 cents. It's at 8 cents right now. But I'm telling y'all, you see the chart right. We're going to look at the chart and we're going to see the best time to get in and the best time to get out. But the halving event ain't happened yet. So with that being said, not saying CRO not going to run up, not saying it is, but it could possibly be on a bull run when we get close to the halving event. But let's go ahead and take a price prediction right now. And then this is why I say that. Hey, 2024 mid-year is going to be 11 cents. We at 8 cents right now, going to be 11 cents. By the end of the year of 2024, it's going to be at 16 cents. So let's go ahead and look down here, man. Around the halving event, April 15th, CRO going to be at 9 cents. Right around the halving event, the week before the halving event, CRO going to be at 9 cents. The week after, the month after, May 15th, going to 10 cents. June 15th, 11 cents. July 15th, still at 11 cents, but 11.78 cents. So it's still on the uptrend, on the bull trend, man. Cause I'm telling y'all, hey, when Bitcoin halving event happen, all the alternative cryptos gonna come up with it, but they ain't gonna move as fast as like Ethereum and some of these top 10 alternative cryptos. They gonna move, you know what I'm saying? But that's what I'm saying. So right now, hey, CRO is a trade. It's not a long-term hold. I'll tell y'all what I did with my CRO. That's what I'm doing right now. So my CRO, I had on MetaMask. A lot of y'all real OG, real true savage, you know what I'm saying, to join the Discord. Link down in the description for that because we still got that going. I ain't never stopped that. I just been in the lab learning. So what I've been doing learning that I had to move that CRO. Hey, I appreciate y'all that was doing that with me. And hey, that's what we did. But with that being said, I got rid of it. Yes, Moneymane got rid of the CRO. I didn't get rid of the crypto and just selling and cash out. No, I moved it to my Coinbase so I can move it into Bitcoin. See, that's what you got to do with these trades, man. You got to move these trades to fund the other stuff that you're doing for long term. Bitcoin is long term for me. It wasn't no need for me to hold $500 worth of CRO in my MetaMask wallet when I need to put it in Bitcoin. Get what I'm saying? Because CRO is not going to run up as fast as Bitcoin. Not like it did when we should have sold at the top. December, I think it was 21, CRO took off, man. Whenever the crypto.com arena, when they first announced it, that November, December, CRO took off and we should have sold it and got out, took the profit, put it into Bitcoin and started putting it DCA into Bitcoin when it was 15,000. Hey, but you live and you learn. So I'm telling y'all, man, I'm out of CRO. Period. I ain't got none. But, I still got those miners, Wizardly Miner and I got the Crow do NFTs. They are still making me Crow passively. Not as much now, not as much as I was making when Crow was hot. That's how I got the 5,000 Crow and $500 worth. But I still got those, and I will be using those. As long as those are still going on and I can still withdraw from those, I'm going to still do it. So that's what I did with my Crow. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this chart. Y'all, I've been in the lab. I've been learning. I ain't just been sitting twiddling my thumbs. I've been learning about these charts and how to read these charts. So we're going to see where Crow going to go. Crypto.com is Crow. Crow is crypto.com if you didn't know. So right now, hey, we're looking at the EMAs. This going to tell us a lot of what's going on with the movement. But I ain't got my Bollinger Bands on here, but it is what it is. We can still look at the EMAs and see what's going on, and if we're going to be in a bull trend or we're going to be in a bear trend, or is it going to consolidate. So right now, as y'all see, this is a day chart right here. Depends on you watching this video, but right now, we just looking at this movement. Right here is the 5 EMA right here, and I got the 13 EMA, the yellow line, and then my 50 EMA, the blue line, and my 200 is the pink line. Now, with the 5 EMA gonna move the fastest. So the 5 EMA is the one that moving the fastest, and the 13 following the 5. And then if we get the 5 crossing right here, as you can see, let me go back here when it was on the downtrend right here. Right now, the 5 was moving up, but it passed the 13, but it got over the 50 just a little bit. It got over the 50 just a little bit, then came back down, then went back under the 13. See, volatility. That's why I say, not a long-term trade, not a long-term hold. Get up, get in, get out. You know what I'm saying? So, get in, get up, get out. I say that backwards, but it is what it is. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So, anyway, the 5 EMA moving up and down, up and down, up and down. But this big move right here, that's what we want to take a look at. So, right now, the 5 and the 13 had crossed the 50 and the 200. Then you can see that the 50 crossed the 200 right here. Then when the 50 crossed the 200, y'all can see my pointer, and then the 5 and the 13 crossed back here. But it kept going dipping under, but it finally stayed above right here. Then when the 5 and the 13 crossed the 200 EMA, and then it crossed the 50 EMA. It struggled a little bit, but then it boom right here. There was confirmation on this move up right here that the 5 and the 15, the 5 and the 13 had crossed, and we was in like a bullish trend right here. Then boom, it came back down. 5 EMA came down past the 13, then it came past down to 50, then it came back down to 200. Then the 13 followed the 15, the 5 EMA, I mean. So 13 came down past the 50, 13 came past down to 200 right here. Now, volatility again. That's why I say you got to get in, get up, and get out, or swap it to USDC or whatever other coin that you want to swap it to. That's what you need to do, not financial advisor, because I'm not a financial advisor. But right now, we can see the green line, my 5 EMA, that went past the 200 and the 50. The 50 almost crossed down past the 200. Now, if that would have happened and we had this bounce up, then we would have been in a bearish trend for sure. I'm telling y'all, but when that 50 crossed, when all three of them crossed the 200, we definitely in a downtrend right there. But we definitely in a downtrend. But right now, we had that bounce off. That 50 touched the 200, and it bounced right off. So now the 5 done crossed both of them, the 50 and the 200, and the 13 just did it not too long ago, depending on you watching this video. So the 13 just passed the 200 and the 50. So we on the uptrend right now. Not saying they're going to stay that way, because you see back here, you look back here, we see how the trend is going, but it's still moving up. So we having higher lows. See, we low down here, but we higher up here on the low. So we could be in a bull trend right now. Depends on you watching this video. Hey, it's going to change. But like I said, when we learn these charts, like I should have learned back then, like I was still learning, I'm still learning right now. But now I understand more. Now we can play it better and not hold on to it too long and put it where we really need to put it in the Bitcoin and Ethereum, the long-term hold. But you got to ask yourself, what kind of investor are you? Are you a long-term hold investor, or are you a short-term hold investor? Because if you're short-term, then you might want to put it into another short-term play, make some money off Crow, put it in another short-term play, then make some money off of that, and then roll it into Bitcoin. Who knows? I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor. They're telling y'all what I'm doing. I took all my Crow. got rid of. I moved to USDC. I'm about to put it into Bitcoin before the halving event. Now, like I said, you can do whatever you want to do, but I'm just telling you what I'm doing. And y'all already know what time it is. My savage, stop playing with me. Moneymane and the thing of a T ain't playing no games. Should already know my name when I speak in CC Flame. Got my YouTube popping, man. Like, subscribing, everything in between. You already know Moneymane. You already